Good morning, everybody. I am Rael from grade 2 Pearl. Today I'm gonna cook stir-fried tofu and broccoli. Here are the ingredients. First, tofu and broccoli, cornstarch, soy sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can also add sesame seed. Now let's cook. First, we're gonna fry the tofu to golden brown. Be careful. Use a tong so it can be safe for you. If it's golden brown, you can now flip it and put the broccoli. Next, add the broccoli and cover it for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Now let's make the sauce. Put the sesame seeds, pepper, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, maple syrup. Now let's mix it. Pour the sauce in the tofu. Now let it boil until thickens. When it's already sticky, remove it from the pan. Now it's time to taste it. So yummy. Now the broccoli. So yummy. Mom, Dad, and Kuya approve. Remember